What's up, guys? How you doing? I am here today with Swinging Bull. How are you doing today, Ben?
Pretty good, Amy. Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
Right on, right on. So, historically, 17 out of 19 midterm elections, the 6 months following the elections, have been historically very bullish for stocks that kind of align with that group, that political party. And I'm going to let Ben take the lead here. He's going to give us three Republican or GOP stocks that we believe, if the election shifts to red, he thinks will be nice, strong pushes. So we'll just hand it on to you. And what do you got, Ben?
Yeah, if the Republicans end up winning the midterms, my first Republican stock pick is going to be Walmart, which is ticker symbol WMT. Really like this company for a Republican win. Lower income Americans have relied on Walmart as a household name for decades. Additionally, they have devoted a lot of effort and money to opposing hikes in the federal minimum wage. So if Republicans regain control of the House, Walmart stock is likely to increase. Experts also hail Walmart as a company to buy to safeguard against current economic problems, even before the projected Republican victory at the midterms. And also, for almost 50 years, Walmart has boosted its dividend. Couple
Nice.
ways, yeah, a couple ways to play this chart. Got my screen pulled up here, the Walmart chart. Currently trading at 130.28. Two ways I would play this chart is we can wait for Walmart to find the bottom around the 128 area, which is this bottom green line on my chart. And if we pull back to there and it finds a bottom and we get some more buyers stepping in, that's where I would enter there as a possible first play. A second way to play this is we could wait for Walmart to break the 133 area, and if we get a break of 133 and it holds, I'd be comfortable entering the position there and taking it up to first price target of 138. So that's what I think
Awesome.
about Walmart.
What else you got for us?
The second one for Republican victory, a stock I would like if the Republicans win the midterms, it's going to be Lockheed Martin.
Hmm.
Let me go ahead and pull that up on my chart. The ticker symbol is LMT. So got the chart pulled up here. It's currently trading at around $389. Lockheed Martin, industry leader in the defense sector, and it could soon have another worldwide catalyst. Of course, with the Chinese, the China and Taiwan deal going over there, we got to see how that plays out. But Lockheed Martin being a leader in the defense sector, I think they're going to benefit if anything happens with that situation. Defense stocks aren't often among the winners during a Democrat presidency. However, a Republican House victory is likely going to turn the market sentiment back to Lockheed Martin's favor, making LMT one of the top companies to purchase, I think, if the Republicans win. After all, frequently called for higher defense expenditures, the Republicans have. Additionally, President Biden recently stated that in case of a Chinese attack, the United States would defend Taiwan. So this further strengthens the argument for defensive strategies like Lockheed Martin. Couple ways to play this chart. Currently trading at $389 right now. One way to play it is we could wait for Lockheed Martin to find the bottom around 395, which is on my screen here. If you're looking at the bottom green line, we wait for a bottom to form around this area there, and then as soon as buyers step back in, I'd feel comfortable entering the position at that point. The second way to play it is we could wait for a break of 416, which is this middle green line here. And if we get a break of that and it holds, that'll give me a lot more confidence to go ahead and play this to the upside. First price target to the upside. If you're waiting for a break of 416, I mean, I'm looking at the mid 400s there. So it'll be some nice gains there to the upside. So that's my second pick for the
Awesome.
if the Republicans win the midterms coming up. My third and final one is Smith and Wesson. Okay, SWBI. Let me go ahead and pull up that chart now. SWBI. Got this pulled up here.
Ooh, that
Let
looks
me
good.
Yeah, I'm really liking this. I'm currently trading at $10.34. Given that Republicans support the Second Amendment, a Republican victory should immediately benefit Smith and Wesson. Smith and Wesson creates, produces, and distributes weapons all over the world. The company sells its goods to those who are interested in firearms, collectors, hunters, sportsmen, competitive shooters, people who want to protect their homes and themselves. They provide weapons to law enforcement, security officers, and military organizations. So Smith & Wesson is definitely going to benefit with the Republican victory there. It's also trading at a better value than the average of peers ratio of price to earnings. So it's trading better than that. And it's also trading at a discount to the industry average ratio of price to earnings. So a couple ways I would play this chart, SWBI, Smith & Wesson, is number one, we can wait for Smith & Wesson to come down to the next support here around the 850 area is what I'm looking at. So we could wait, be patient and wait for a pullback to that area. And if it finds a bottom there, I'd feel comfortable entering there. And the second way to play it is we could wait for a break and hold above 1066. Okay, and this is this middle green line on my chart there. So as you can see from the stock price right now, it's kind of consolidating sideways right underneath that level. If we get a break at 1066 and it holds, we have lots of upside there. Price target number one would probably be around the $13 to $14 area right here. And then price target number two around $15. So those are my three picks. If we get a Republican victory in the midterms, it's going to be Walmart, WMT, Lockheed Martin, LMT, and of course, Smith & Wesson, SWBI. What do you think about those picks, Amy?
Love it. Love that chart right there. That consolidation's beautiful. It breaks out of that. We're good to go. And be sure to check out where we also going to have a video with the top Democratic picks, stock picks. So come check out that video after you finish watching this video, and you're set up for no matter what happens with the election. And we will see you next time. Thank you so much, Ben.
Cheers, everybody.
All right, bye.